Here's an Amana RRL-5C microwave from 1982. First, take a look at the maker's data plate. The model is RRL-5C. And it was made in November of 1982. Now, previously in here, I actually bought a brand new microwave so that I could heat up food here at the West Building. But I thought it was rather not in keeping with the retro surroundings here. So finally I found a good retro microwave oven that seems to work pretty good. I tested it with a cup of water. Let's see if we can test it heating up some food here. I'm going to set it up there on top of the refrigerator. We can take a look at the front panel. Here's the front of the Radarange. I'm not sure how long that this style of Radarange was made. I think this is similar to the ones that were made in the earlier 70s. I think the older ones, though, might have had two dials, two large dials, one for time and the other for power. We'll open it up here. And there's a little bit of junk up on top there. I might clean it out some more eventually. But I think it'll be okay for a test. It's pretty roomy. It's got a large glass dish in there. Here we've got a frozen meatloaf dinner. Now when I'm at home, I always like to eat homemade food. But I got some frozen dinners to take up here to the West Building just because they're convenient. And they're pretty good. They're not too bad. So I've got the frozen dinner prepared according to its instructions. And we're going to put it into the microwave here. And we'll just see how it comes out. Now I've only tested this with water, so this will be a real test. I think they said to cook for 3 minutes. And I think after 3 minutes I'll go ahead and rotate it because there's no turntable in here. So the timer's now set. I'll turn the light on and go ahead and start it. Okay, let's see how it looks so far. Feels like it's, let's see how warm it's gotten here. Oh, I see some steam coming out. Still not completely done though, so we'll go ahead and turn it, and it should be ready to eat then. Okay, now we finished the second cooking period on it, and the apple crisp looks like it's steaming, and looks like the gravy is bubbling on the meatloaf, so I'm sure this will be successful. These old Amana RRL-5Cs are really as good as people have said. This is actually the first one that I've owned. But it's really, really vintage quality.